So they wanted to know how do I make my trees look more realistic. I am a beginner painter, and a lot of the things that I do, I just follow the picture that I'm actually using as a reference. But there are some tricks and tips that I can give you guys. So here you go. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to show you how I used to do my trees. It used to be kind of a blocky tree, and I would add some different shadows and stuff like that. But so for my realistic tree, I use some burnt umber and a little bit of blue and make this really dark, like almost black. And then I use that to create my tree stump. You keep going and make some branches. And so these don't have to be perfect because you're going to be hiding them anyways with the leaves. And so you're going to get this fan brush, and you're just going to use the corner of your fan brush, and you're going to create the shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. Trees aren't perfect. They're, different, just like all of us. All right. And so we use that lighter color. I'm using that lighter green, or you can also use some yellow and mix it with the green and create that highlight on the side where you think that light should be shining. And then I keep it pretty dark on the other side. And then I add some branches with a really, really, really tiny brush. And normally it's kind of difficult to get these thin brushes, but what I do, I'll have one and then I'll cut it. And then that's pretty much all there is to making your own more realistic. And you can tell the difference between the two trees. And then you can also create more shapes. Then you can do like a Christmassy one. But yeah, this is how I do it. Thanks for watching.